There are 4 major types of germs: bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. They can make us sick. Bacteria are one-cell creatures that can cause infections. Some infections bacteria cause include sore throats, ear infections, tooth decay, and pneumonia. There are also good bacteria that live in our intestines and help us use the nutrients in the food we eat. Scientists use some bacteria to make medicines. When viruses get inside people's bodies, they can spread and make people sick. Viruses cause chickenpox, measles, flu, and many other diseases. Fungi are plant-like organisms made of many cells. They love to live in damp, warm places. Most fungi are not dangerous, but they can cause athlete's foot. Protozoa are one-cell organisms that often spread diseases through water. Some protozoa cause intestinal infections that lead to diarrhea, nausea, and stomachache.